That can't be good. That is not fuel. Not sure what kind of foreign substance that is. That's real good for your carburetor. The hell is that? Woo! It's called Potanky. Man, I'm almost out of brake clean. Okay, so we don't have the box on, so we can't choke it. I may have to do it with my finger. First start in probably 30 years at least. Not bad for 30 years. Alright boys, we're going to go for a ride on my 76 moped. Don't be jealous. She got a lot of ponies. We just got low beam. So we got a 76 Hercules and a 1980s Concord Invader. Both of them run. This one's got some wiring problems and needs a coil. Like I said, I just got it together. It ain't ran for 30 years, so there's a few adjustments we need to use. Looks like the bowl is leaking gas. It's running pretty good though, guys. So Sachs makes rotary engines, and they make some old two-stroke engines. Turn it off here so we can talk. Let's turn it off. We'll shut the gas off. Tomorrow we'll work on getting these tanks. We're going to clean that carb off. Figure out a way to get an air filter system on it. Hold on, I'll talk to you. Hold on. Hey, listen.